We continue with the trigonometry. So today we're going to simplify without the use of the calculator. So the question is simplify each of the following without using a calculator. We're definitely going to apply the special angles. So the special angles of each are the 30 degrees, 45 and 60 degrees. We'll try by all possible means to relate the angles to the special angle step. The 120 is sine into 180 minus 60 degrees multiplied by the cos 210 is 180 plus 30 degrees multiplied by the 315 is 360 minus 45. The 27 is just the lowest value that we have, and it's not the part of the special angles. So for now, we'll just keep it as a cos 27 degrees. We have the cos 510. So will minus 360 so that you can reduce it to the first revolution. Now that we have the sine of 63 degrees, 63 is still the acute but not the special angle. We'll change this 63 so that it can be the same as cos 27. So it calls for the co-ratios. So that would be 90 minus 27. Indeed, when you say 90 minus 27, you will get 63. The cast diagram, whereby we have the 180 minus in the second quadrant and the sign is positive. So it's sine of 60 degrees. Multiplied by the 180 plus, this is 180, 90, 270, 37. 180 plus at the third quadrant and the cos is negative. So it's negative cos of 30 degrees. Multiplied by 360 minus at fourth quad and 10 is negative. So it's negative 10, 45 degrees. Then we said you'll keep the cos 27 up until we have a value that is exactly the same with it. Cos 540 minus 360 is 180 degrees. Multiply the sine together with the 90, it calls for the co-ratio. So the co-ratio of sine is cos. So 190 minus is at first, all the trig ratios are positive. So we'll have positive cos of 27 degrees. Now we have the cos 27 divide the cos 27. Then these are the special angles. We'll use the triangles, whereby it's 60 degrees, 30 degrees. This is the breakdown from the equilateral, whereby here is 1, it's 2, root 3. Just have to memorize it. That's the only way you can master. I know you can press these angles into the calculator, but for now I just want us to know how to do it without using a calculator. I have the angle of 45 degrees, which is an isosceles, two sides equal, the third will be root 2. Sine of 60 degrees, triangle with the 60 degrees, sine its opposite over hypotenuse, that is 3 over 2, multiplied by, let's all agree that negative multiplied by negative will give us the positive. Therefore, now the cos is positive at 30, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have root 3 over 2 multiplied by the 1045 to the triangle of 45. You just choose any 45. 10 is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 1. That will give us 1. All divided by cos 180. If you still remember the cos graph, it's 180 degrees, it's negative 1. So now we have to simplify further here. The root 3 multiplied by the root 3 will be positive 3. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. Multiplied by 1 will be 3 over 4. Therefore, divide by negative 1. Any number divided by 1 will be that number. So the final solution will be negative 3 over 4. The sine 120 will be sine into 180 degrees minus 60. Definitely when you say 180 minus 60 will be 120. The 10 will 360 minus 60. In this cos, with the negative 60, we'll add 360. So it will look exactly the same as the reduction formula. The 225 will be 180 plus 45 degrees. We have the 180 degrees minus 60 in quadrant where sine is positive, so we'll have the sine 60 multiplied by 360 minus the 360 is here on the third quadrant, and on the fourth quadrant the 10 is negative 10 of 60 degrees. When you add, the ordering of the number doesn't matter, so this is the same as 360 minus 60 degrees, of which is the fourth quad, and the cos is positive, so we'll have cos 60. 180 plus, the 180 plus is at the third quadrant, whereby the 10 is positive 10 positive 45 degrees. So now we have the special angles. The sine of 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, gives us root 3 over 2 multiplied by the negative 10 of 60. It's opposite over adjacent, root 3 over 1 all over the cos of 60. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over 2 multiplied by, for 10 45, it's opposite over adjacent, so 1 over 1 will give us positive 1. 3 multiplied by negative root 3 will be negative 3. 1 times 2 will be 2, divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 will be 1 over 2. Then to simplify further, we'll change the division sign to a multiplication, then the reciprocal will be 2 over 1. Then the 2 divides, then we'll have a final answer as negative 3. Thank you and bye.